Yes, birds do have ears, but they look different from ours. Birds don't have ears that stick out like humans do. Instead, they have small openings on the sides of their heads, just behind their eyes. These openings are covered by special feathers called auriculars that help protect their ears from dirt and wind while they fly. Even though we can't see their ears, birds can hear very well. They use their hearing to find food, listen for danger, and talk to other birds. So, next time you see a bird, remember that it has ears too, just hidden under its feathers.